Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. The Statistical Institute of Jamaica has reported a total of 1.4 million people were employed during the January to March period, of which 763,000 were males, while 656,400 were females. Statin also reported that the unemployment rate was 3.7% during the first 3 months of the year. This represents 54,500 of the 1.47 million people who should have been working during the period. NCB Capital Markets CEO Angus Young announced that it has finalized the sale of Stratus Alternative Funds SCC to Barbados-based investment company Epley Limited. Stratus is a Barbados-based investment platform. With this transaction, Epley will assume full investment management responsibilities, positioning itself to deepen its focus on the value creation through the fund. Nicholas Scott, Vice Chairman of Epley, remarked, Epley has a long history of generating attractive risk-adjusted returns by investing in private markets on behalf of its shareholders and investors. We are excited to assume full control of Stratus and committed to building on its strong track record. For the trading period ending April 17, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Alternative energy provider Wigton Energy Limited with 6,772,579 units traded, representing 31.35% of market sales volume. Toll road operator Trans-Jamaican Highway Limited with 4,092,046 units traded, representing 18.94% of market sales volume. Advertising agency One Great Studio Company Limited with 1,765,573 units traded, representing 8.17% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On April 17, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $49.49 million purchased and US $48.47 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.42 per dollar, selling the US at $158.59 and buying the US at $157.17. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders $1.93 per transaction, with selling at $115.26 and buying at $113.33. The British pound yielded Forex traders $1.81 in profits, with selling at $210.37 and buying at $208.56. For our credit report tip of the day, you're considered credit invisible if you have no credit history with the major credit bureaus. This typically happens when you've never had a credit card, loan, or reported a utility bill in your name. For many first-generation wealth builders, immigrants, young professionals, gig workers, and even cash-only households, this is more common than you think. So here are some suggestions to help you become credit visible. Make monthly payments throughout the month. This keeps your balance low when it's reported to the credit bureaus, not just when your statement closes. And here's the truth. You cannot build sustainable wealth if you're credit invisible. So without a credit footprint, lenders and service providers can't access your reliability, so they say no or charge you more. So here are 2 more actions for you to consider. Apply for a secure credit card. Deposit cash collateral and then build a payment history. Also, automate all payments. Never miss a due date on any bill. Now, if you're building something from nothing and going from financial recovery to financial resilience, let's be honest, Navigating finances can feel like you're reading a foreign language. And if you're a professional woman over the age of 45, you've probably worn many hats. You've carried the entire family, led teams, poured into others. But no one handed you a step-by-step guide for building real financial peace. You might be earning but still not stable, learning but still confused, trying but not seeing results. So here are some suggestions for you to consider. First, acknowledge that confusion is normal, especially if no one taught you the terms. So write down every financial term you don't understand and keep a finance glossary journal. Then schedule 30 minutes weekly to research 3 unfamiliar financial terms. You could start with compound interest, debt to income ratio, and maybe net worth. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.